Am I audible, guys? So many
Yes, sir.
people. Let me allow. If I'm audible, if my voice is clear and crystal, then please let me know in the chat. Just type yes. Let me check your chat here. Give me 2 minutes. Yeah, so I'm live on YouTube as well. Guys, if you're watching me on YouTube, please confirm the voice. If I'm audible, just type yes in the chat. Or if you are connected here in the Google meeting, just type yes in the chat. Great. It will be difficult to allow participant during the session. Great. Now your chat is visible. Okay, so today webinar is on quality of service. Many of you are asking, you are going to cover theory or lab. So we are going to cover both theory plus lab. First we'll see theory. Yeah, now it's good. First we'll see theory. After that, we'll perform lab here in this topology. Okay. So good evening, everyone. Wait for 2 more minutes. Let others join if anyone is joining. Someone is waiting here. 31 participants are there in the Google Meet. Great. Yes, on YouTube also. People are saying voice is not clear. Voice is not clear. I think voice is clear, brother. Please confirm on YouTube. Yeah, it's clear. So, guys, let's begin. First of all, quality of service. Why we need quality of service? If I will talk about 20 years back, like the network of 20 years back, quality of service was not required. And we were not implementing quality of service there. But in the today's network, everywhere we need quality of service. We are implementing quality of service. So tell me what is the difference in 20 year back network and today's network? Why 20 years back quality of service was not required and why in the today's network quality of service is required? It's mandatory. Anyone have idea about it? Please type in the chat. Arun Echo. Check now. I think now it's fine. Voice. Right in the starting, definitely there was echo. but I think now voice is clear. Arun, please confirm in chat. Lots of application. Okay. So if we have lots of application or we are hosting application on the cloud, so do you think this is the reason of quality of service? This is the reason why quality of service is required in today's network? Guys, the reason is converged network. Today's we have converged network, and 20 years back our network was like traffic was segregated, divided. Still echo in the voice. Please confirm on here in the Google meeting. Guys, is there any echo in voice? Yes. Wait. Okay. If there is echo, let me settle it first. Is it fine now? Is it okay now? Is my voice clear and crystal? Yes, now it's clear. Okay, great. Now I am expecting voice is clear and the screen is also visible. Is the screen clear, guys? Clear and crystal? What about a screen? It's very important. A screen should be clear and voice should be very clear and crystal. Then only I can make you understand. We are learning online, so it's very important. Yeah. Now everything is fine. Now we can start.
So, so your screen is not
Okay.
visible.
So first I am going to compare network of 20 year back and today's network just to make you understand why quality of service is required in today's network. No, clear. It's now it's clear. Great. Thank you. Thank you so much for the confirmation. Yes. So guys, 20 years back network of 20-year back means the traffic was segregated there. Segregated means divided. Like for an example, 20 years back, how you are connecting multiple sites together. For an example, you need to connect two sites. So there was only two options. Number one is frame relay and second one is VPN, GRE. Right? Nowadays, we have multiple options to connect multiple sites, two sites. We can configure MPLS, we can configure DMVPN, we can configure GRE, IPsec, leased line, right? But earlier, yeah, earlier we had only two options: frame relay and VPN, GRE, right? For different types of traffic, we were using different types of line, different types of WAN connection. For an example, what I told you, I have two sides, right? For an example, side 1, A somewhere, and side B. Correct? Right? I need to connect these two sides together. I can purchase connectivity from frame relay, SP. Right? This is for data traffic, right? For data traffic, we have this WAN connection, right? For the voice connectivity, we have different types of line that is called PSTN, right? For different types of traffic, for an example, for video traffic, we were using different ISP, right? This is, let's say, SP2 for video conference, right? This is for voice, correct? This is for normal data. And if you want to access internet as well, right? So you have to purchase another connectivity from ISP. Here I have ISP, separated ISP at both sides, here also and here also. ISP. This is my old network. Earlier, we were connecting multiple sites this way, right? Like here you can see all the traffics are segregated, are divided. Like for an example, here is one computer and here I have another computer. This is Priya and Alok. So if Priya want to send some data to Alok, they will send through this ISP. If Priya is going to call to Alok, then traffic will go through PSTN. If Priya is going to video call to Alok, then traffic will go through this line, right? If Priya want to access internet, their traffic will go to this service provider, right? This way we were connecting multiple sites together and how
Some
we are
student,
accessing the internet.
some students are waiting in lobby.
Now I think voice is clear.
Some students are waiting in lobby, sir.
Okay, so this way we were accessing internet. This way we were exchanging information between two sites. You can see for video traffic we have different line, for data traffic we have different line, for voice traffic we have different line. But if I will talk about today's network, guys, in today's network we have only one connection between side A and side 2. If
Hello. Hello. Hello.
if you want to
Sir,
connect side 1 and side 2 together, so there is one service provider, ISP, who is providing you connectivity. Side 1, side B, side A, side B, and there is ISP. ISP, what we can do between side 1 and side 2 through public IP address, we can establish a VPN. We can create virtual private network, because by default two private sites cannot communicate with each other over public network, right? So the technology which we are using to make it possible is VPN. So here we can configure VPN. Now side 1 and side 2 can communicate, right? Which type of traffic we are going to forward through this VPN? Even VPN is a logical connection. We are going to forward traffic from this physical link only. From this physical link only we are going to forward traffic. So now this line, this WAN circuit is going to carry voice traffic, data traffic, video traffic, right? Internet traffic. Even if Priya want to access internet, they will access internet through same WAN link, internet, right? Maybe some downloading traffic, FTP, right? You are downloading some file. So every traffic, all types of traffic are going through this single line. So this is the reason why quality of service is required here in today's network. Because guys, our today's network is converged network, right? We are using single line for all types of traffic, right? So for an example, here is one router, correct? So router, according to router, these all are same traffic. These all are same types of traffic, but these are not same type of traffic. If I will talk about the voice traffic, guys, voice is an delay sensitive traffic. Voice is an delay sensitive traffic. What do you mean by delay sensitive? Delay sensitive means delay should be minimum in case of voice traffic, right? Like delay should be lesser than or equal to 150 millisecond, right? If delay is more than 150 millisecond, then there will be issue, right? Maybe Priya is calling to their boyfriend, to Alok, right? And Priya is saying, I love you. Maybe their boyfriend is going to receive, IU, right? Because of, let's say, due to congestion between source and destination, because of delay, if the receiver device is not going to receive one packet, then what will happen? Voice is UDP based traffic, right? It cannot be retransmit. We cannot retransmit the voice traffic. So if Priya is saying I love you, right? Alok is receiving I you, right? User will get bad experience. Voice quality is going to be very bad, right? So here we have to tell to router that, bro, whenever you will receive data traffic and voice traffic, first process voice traffic. Because what is delay, guys? Delay is time taken by a router to forward the traffic. On the router, we have two types of delay. One is interface delay and another one is processing delay. Processing delay means, as you know, whenever router, this is my router, on the router we have CPU, right? This is ingress interface, and this is egress interface. Egress interface. So whenever this router is going to receive traffic on ingress interface, router is going to perform decapsulation. It will remove L2 header, then it is going to add new L2 header. Again, encapsulation, it will perform encapsulation, right? So this is nothing but the processing delay. Whatever time router will take to process this data is called processing delay. That is called processing delay, right? So for an example, processing delay is more than 150 millisecond, then there will be issue in the network. So interface delay is fixed. If I will talk about interface delay, so interface delay is fixed. But processing delay is variable, right? Variable. It depends on load. It depends on congestion. It depends on buffer, right? So processing delay is variable delay, depends on various factors. So there is chance that might be possible delay can be increased for voice traffic. And if delay is more than 150 millisecond for the voice traffic, then there is issue. Then we'll get packet loss, right? So you can just imagine, like if you are talking to someone on the call and if you are getting packet loss, how irritating it will be. It will be very irritating, right? So that's why we need to prioritize voice traffic over data traffic, because data is TCP based traffic. For an example, here is another user. This is Priya and here is Shruti. Shruti is downloading a movie from Google. Shruti is downloading movie from Google, right? So both Priya and Shruti is forwarding traffic to router, and router is treating both as a same, right? So you can see here like how voice traffic can compete with data traffic, with bursty large data traffic. Voice is very small traffic, correct? So here we have to prioritize voice over IP. The reason we are forwarding both types of traffic from the single link. We are forwarding both types of traffic from the single link. Echo on YouTube. Why am I still getting echo here? Mm-mm. Hello. it's fine, Arun. Check again and please confirm. Now I am expecting it's fine. Even I am not recording the session, so let me start the recording because on the YouTube there are noise. So later we need recording. Definitely some of you will ask for recording later. So I have started the recording and please check Arun. Two device voice are coming. Now I think it's fine. Too low. Now voice is too low. Hello. Check now. I think it's fine. Otherwise we'll troubleshoot it after the class. I am expecting, but now voice is fine on YouTube as well. Check now. I think it's fine. Otherwise we'll troubleshoot it after the. Okay, got the issue. Here is the issue. Now it's okay. Now, just give me guys 2 minutes. Let me correct it. Hello. Normal from where I am getting noise brother on YouTube. I will troubleshoot it up after the class. Right, from next session we will keep it in mind. Last time it was fine. So I have similar setting here. Normal from where I am getting noise on YouTube. Yeah, there is issue with voice. Okay, leave it for now. Let's begin. Okay guys, so what I told you here, that nowadays we are forwarding multiple types of traffic from the same link. That's why quality of service is required, because different types of traffic have different priority. Like voice traffic should be always before our data traffic. Voice traffic should be always before our data traffic. Is my voice clear here in the Google Meet? Is voice clear here in the Google Meet?
Yes, sir. Yes, it's clear.
Here it's clear. We have only issue in my